Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Sugar detox in 10 days. Restart brain and body. There are many people all over the world who have a sweet tooth. This is especially the case in the US, where an average American consumes about 152 pounds of sugar a year. However, sugar is detrimental to the health and can lead to various health conditions, including diabetes, inflammation, and poor health. Hence, it is important to detox your body from sugar from time to time. The following method is effective, easy, and promises no cravings, no bland foods or boring diets. This method will reverse the sugar addiction and reset your body and brain. 10-day detox diet. 1. Decide to detox. Making a decision to detox is the first step. You should start with this detox method only if you are determined and decided. In this way, it will be easier, you'll feel better, and lose weight without noticing. 2. Cold turkey. Sugar addiction should be considered as any other addiction. Therefore, during these 10 days, you should avoid consuming all forms of sugar, all flour products, and all artificial sweeteners. Instead, choose real and fresh foods. 3. Don't drink your calories. During the detox, you should avoid any juices, sodas, sports drinks, unsweetened teas. 4. Protein power. Consuming proteins will balance the blood sugar and insulin levels. Thus, include a whole farm egg or a protein shake for breakfast. Moreover, increase the intake of nuts, seeds, eggs, fish, chicken, or grass-fed meat. 5. Unlimited, good, carbs. This means that you should eat an unlimited amount of vegetables, except potatoes, sweet potatoes, winter squash or beets. Hence, increase the intake of greens, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, asparagus, peppers, green beans, mushrooms, zucchini, tomatoes, and artichokes. 6. Fight sugar with fat. Consume foods rich in fat, such as nuts and seeds, extra virgin olive oil, coconut butter, avocados, and fish. 7. Reduce stress. When you are stressed, cortisol makes you hungry and causes belly fat storage. Thus, reduce stress and relax more. You can try taking 5 deep breaths. 8. Proper sleep. Sleep is essential. Hence, you should get a proper and good quality sleep.